Hello, welcome. So let's begin our classes. First one, let me first introduce you with the phonetics terminology. This is paper number 10, which is titled as an introduction to English sound systems. That means we are going to study English sounds, how they are produced, how they are pronounced, and how they are practically written on paper. So this is the topic that we are going to see. First, let us see the terminology. So what is the phonetics? Phonetics is nothing else but the science of pronunciation. Every language has got some pattern of speech. Now, in English also, we have a very distinct pattern. English has got plenty of varieties. Out of that, for our study, for our understanding, Britishers have given us some system to study and to pronounce properly. We call it as RP, received pronunciation. Now this is received pronunciation. Received pronunciation means it is the English language, it is the English sound system which is spoken specifically in the southwest area of London, and the people from London or the people from BBC broadcasting services speak this kind of a dialogue. We follow this pattern in India. So most of the countries where Britishers ruled, they follow this RP system. That means we follow British pattern of speaking as well as writing. That is called as RP, received pronunciation, because it is received many parts of the world, this pronunciation, and they follow this system of pronunciation. That's why it is called as received pronunciation. It belongs to London area of Britain. So there the people living in that area speak that language, that dialect, that kind of pronunciation, and we call it as a standard kind of a system for our study of pronunciation. This is the topic actually that we have to follow, English sound systems. English sound systems, especially we call it as British sound system. There is another one, we call it as American pronunciation pattern. But especially we do not follow this in our academic, in our schools. Right from school days, whatever we follow British pattern. This is American pattern of pronunciation are not taught in the schools. Here also in our syllabus, RP has been stressed. That means we are going to study English sound systems through RP, received pronunciation pattern. And whatever we speak, we try to speak like the people of London speak English. That is the way we have to follow some kind of a system here in India. In classes also we teach, we study, and whatever we study of this particular language, we study of phonetics. That is the science of pronunciation. In Marathi it is called as Uchchar Shastra. Bhasha Shastra is linguistics, this is phonetics. Linguistics has got two systems. This is the science or study of languages. Linguistics is the science and study of languages, any languages. Every language has got its own pattern. If we study that pattern, we study linguistics. Hey, Bhasha Shastra. Linguistics is Bhasha Shastra, and Bhasha Shastra, every language has got these two kind of a systems. First, we follow phonetics, that is the spoken kind of pattern, and we follow grammar, that is the written kind of pattern. That means whatever we study, if we study phonetics, if we study pronunciation pattern, it becomes linguistic. If we study grammar, it becomes linguistic also. In this year, we have given phonetics for first semester and grammar for second semester. That is sixth semester. Fifth semester we study phonetics, sixth semester we study grammar. So what is phonetics? It is Uchchar Shastra, how to pronounce English words properly, how to study English words properly. Then whatever we write in English, we study its grammar. That belongs to semester number 6. Last semester we finished the syllabus of English course of 3 years with grammar in this particular paper. So let us see some more concepts, and I am going to upload the videos in very short duration, so that you don't have problem of downloading. Also I have problems of uploading. So large files are not getting uploaded. So I am going to cut short these videos, the entire lecture in 2-3 minutes, 5 minutes duration, so that it gets uploaded properly. Okay, this is the first part that I introduced you with. This we are going to study phonetics. That means we are going to study the science of pronunciation, in which we study London pattern, which is called as RP. So what is the RP pronunciation and all that kind of sound system pattern, we see it in next our next video. Thank you.